In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a sprint board on monday.com. We'll walk through setting up a sprint board using a ready-made template so you can quickly organize your team's work and keep track of progress in a structured way. Even if you're new to monday.com or to sprints in general, don't worry. I'll explain what's happening at each step and share some tips to help you get the most out of your board. First, open your monday.com account and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your sprint board to live. On the left side of the screen, next to your workspace name, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is how you add a new board, document, or other items inside your workspace. And in this case, it's the starting point for creating your sprint board. After clicking the plus sign, look for the option to create a new board. When that menu appears, you'll see an option with an arrow or greater than symbol next to board. Click that and then choose Start with Template. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structured layout specifically designed for sprint planning and tracking instead of building everything from scratch. Once you're in the template center, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar and type the word sprint. This will filter all available templates and show you boards that are tailored for agile workflows, sprint planning, and sprint tracking. Taking a moment here to use the search is important because monday.com offers many templates and you want to make sure you're picking one that fits your sprint use case. From the search results, browse the available sprint templates and select the one that best matches the way your team works. Some templates might focus more on software development, while others may be more general for any project. Click on the template you're interested in to see a quick preview of its groups, columns, and overall structure. This can help you confirm it has the statuses, timelines, and ownership fields you'll need. When you've found the template you want, click the Use Template button. monday.com will then create a new board in your chosen workspace based on that layout. Once it's created, you can start managing your sprint by renaming groups to match your sprint cycles, adjusting columns to fit your workflow, and adding or editing items to represent your sprint tasks. From here, you're ready to assign owners, set due dates, and move items across statuses as your sprint progresses.